over like that. That it will start to come out. I made a mess. I put some of the food coloring. I'm going to put this on top of the cup, and I have this big bowl in case something happens. So I'm going to flip this cup over like that and see what will happen.
Now we're gonna have to put this in trash. Let's see. We're gonna put some color in here, and then we're gonna put this on here. It's messy. It's messy.
Ready?
Go. It's creating a vacuum seal, and that's what's making it stay up. Cardboard stay up. It's holding because of the section.
Ready? Go. There you go.
It's sectioned on. That's not.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Splash your bucket.
Look at that. 3, 2.
It's not even
I
going.
know. 1. It's that. Look at it. Look at it.
Half the section is off.
No, it's holding it really good.
Wait, you don't put. So X out put. What is put? Oh, right here. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Colorful treat hunted for in the spring. Easter egg. Egghead. Second one. Money you have saved. Nest egg. Colorful treat hunted for in the spring. Easter egg. Words of caution. Don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Yeah.